The heavy doors of the volunteer facility swung open, and a wave of noise crashed over me all at once. The chaotic blend of hundreds of unfamiliar voices echoing off the high metallic ceilings felt completely discordant. It was overwhelming at first, a massive room moving in a dozen different directions. Wanting to find my footing, I made my way down the aisle and found a spot on one of the long wooden benches cutting through the center of the room. My eyes immediately drifted up to the massive presentation screens at the front, waiting for some kind of direction. As the orientation kicked off, the speaker's words anchored the room. The message was plain and clear. The goals we were trying to reach were massive, and the only way we could ever achieve them was if every single person in that room was fully ready to collaborate. When we finally moved into the production area, the real work began. The task ahead was simple in its design, but driven by an incredible sense of urgency. Our mission was to amass as many meal packs as humanly possible before our shift ran out. What followed was a beautiful blur of constant motion. We measured tight scoops, poured raw ingredients, and sealed bag after bag. Before long, the physical toll started to set in. My shoulders tightened, and a dull ache began creeping down my arms as the repetition caught up with me. But every time my energy started to slip, the electric atmosphere of the warehouse would completely bolster my spirit. The music thumping in the background, the cheers from across the room when a station finished a box, and the shared focus of everyone around me served as a constant reminder of what was at stake. We weren't just packing dry ingredients into plastic, we were packing a future. By the end of the day, the rushing assembly lines finally went quiet, and we all gathered back at the main stage to see what our collective effort had actually accomplished. A nervous quiet fell over the crowd, everyone waiting for the calculations to finish. Then, the final numbers flashed across the presentation screen, and my heart skipped a beat. Kids fed for a year, 59. 59 children, completely secure for an entire year. I walked a little closer to the front, my eyes locking onto a beautiful photo displayed right next to the data, a picture of joyful children holding their plates of food. Those bright, incredibly grateful smiles did something numbers alone never could. They helped convey the true, raw meaning of compassion. Leaving the facility that day, the echo of the warehouse stayed with me. I realized that volunteering isn't about hitting statistical milestones or checking off a box. It's about the real, breathing lives we touch when we choose to show up and work as one.